Alright, hello there informed beauties, your girl Eunice Marie here, and so today we're going to be doing another Goddess Provisions unboxing, and this is going to be the February unboxing. I really had to think about that. I can't even believe it's February. Like this month went by, well, last month went by really fast. So if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Eunice Marie, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you like what I do, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into this box. Now, before we start with what is in the Goddess Provisions box for the month of February, if you are not familiar with Goddess Provisions is a monthly spiritual box for 33 bucks a month, and inside of it you get a bunch of spiritual goodies like gems, crystals, tarot cards, different types of things like that. Okay, I will leave a link down below for you guys to go and check them out. So let's see what we have popping off in this box for the month of February. I'm really excited. You guys know every time I get my Goddess Provisions box, it is like Christmas for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's first get into what this box is all about. Let's see. All right, so this is the box. This is the card that is in the box. Oh, this card is beautiful. Look at the illustration. I actually want to keep this and like put it up on my wall or something. Like, that is really nice. I like that. So Cosmic Connection is all about this month's box, and the mantra for the month is, I am a child of Earth, Galaxy, Universe, and all of creation. Okay, so we're definitely gonna jump into this. All right, so no more wasting time. First thing first, let's talk about this. Now, this is interesting. This is a citrus comet. Looks like this, and it is a soap. If you guys see on the back there, looks like there's a little gem on the inside, which is really pretty. So let's see what this is all about. Where's my card? Okay, so this is a crystal bar soap citrus comet. Let the magnificence of the universe wash over you while bathing with this handmade vegan soap bar. It's scented with orange essential oils and has a carnelian stone floating inside. Ooh, carnelian stone. You guys see I have another stone to add to my collection. And if you guys have not seen my gemstone jewelry collection or review, or what do I want to call it? Like, I share with you guys my gemstone jewelry, and I also share with you guys my crystal collection. I'll leave that down below and above. Go check that out, because it gives you guys some in-depth about the stones and things like that. And I don't know too much about carnelian, so definitely gonna do my research on that bad boy. But just on here it says, the vibration of this bright stone will accelerate your motivation and aid you in your goals. Use this soap to inspire and keep the carnelian around to keep your energy boosted. And it has coconut oil in it, palm oil, safflower oil, SAFFLOWER. Oh, oat protein, orange essential, mica pigment, and poppy seeds. That's not bad too. It's really interesting. I'm not a big fan of orange scented stuff, but I mean, hey, it won't hurt to try. And you guys, everything that is in the Goddess Provisions box is vegan, cruelty free, and also natural. So they don't have usually a lot of those like nasty ingredients in them as well. Okay, and also all links and everything I will leave down below for you guys to find these, or go onto their site where you guys can take a look at these products as well. All right, and that one retails for an $8 value. The next thing that we're going to jump into is this. I was quite curious on what this was, but it feels really good. I'm always excited. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Check that out. That is cute. Oh my goodness, I love that. And look at the back part of it. The back part has a bunch of stars. I am in love. Can you imagine it's like on the back of a sweater? That would be really cute. Okay, so this is the Dreamy Moons pillowcase. Bring your connection to the cosmos indoors with this cozy pillow cover, and it is a $29 value. Even if you were to stick it on the wall, you guys, like, let's just have a visualizing moment right now. You guys gonna see me in all my corniness really quickly, but even if you were like to just like stick it on the wall, like, my arm is in the way, but you guys get what I'm saying, like you can pin it on the wall like a little, like, ah, that's so pretty. I like it a lot. Even as a pillow, it'll be a decorative pillow though. Nobody can lay on it or anything, because the way that this is made out of too, and all the oils that I have in my hair, girl, this thing will be destroyed. Okay, you guys know when it comes to me and my Goddess Provision box, I always get super duper excited. I'm always excited about what we get, and to me it is so worth the $33 a month, because you get a lot of great stuff that you actually are going to use. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to talk about is this here. Let me see, what is this? I still have like 2 of the room sprays that I got, 2 or 3 of them that I got that I'm trying to use up. This is the Coal Miner's Daughter Organic Vegan Handcrafted Healthy Hair Perfume. Looks like this. And let's talk a little bit about what this bad boy is all about. All right, so smell out of this world good when you spritz this blend of beneficial botanical oils, flowers, and essential oils onto your hair and skin. And it's a $22 value. It has lavender, rosemary, chamomile. And does it have a stone in it? Usually sometimes they have stones. No, I don't see any stones. Let's spray it and see what it smells like. Okay, like I would spray it all on my face, right? Yeah. Oh, this smells really good. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells like really fresh. There's a top note of something that I can't, lavender is probably what I'm smelling. I can really smell it, but it smells really good. And that's really good, because this is really cute to have like in your purse as a little refresher. And it values for $22. Now, I don't know if this is the size that values for $22. It may be a bigger size, I would think, that would value for $22, but I'll leave all links down below for you guys to go check it out. But I really do like that. And it's something cool to have in your purse. And it's a very light scent. It's not something that is overpowering. It's a really light scent, so I like that. All right, next we're gonna jump into these We Joyful We of Chocolate Citrus Dark Chocolate 8 pieces. Looks like this. Okay, so there's just chocolate in here. Every now and then they give us a treat in the Goddess Provisions box. So dark chocolate made with citrus, lavender, and mint essential oils, as well as the vibrational essence of night blooming flowers, is truly celestial. And these are a $12 value. Now I already snuck and had a piece of, I had one of these, and I didn't like it at all. You guys probably should see my face. I should have waited, but I was like, ooh, chocolate, and I really wanted to try one. You guys, it tastes like dark chocolate with perfume in it. I didn't like it at all. It was not something that I was like, oh no. And I saw it put flowers in it, so I was like, maybe that's why. Citrus and lavender, yeah, no, it wasn't for me. And they look like this. They come individually wrapped in like these little foils. Even no, I can't. I don't know who. I would definitely like give these to somebody, but I don't even know who in my immediate circle would really like these, because I didn't like them. You won't ever see me buying those anywhere, okay? And those are a $12 value. All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is what is in this lovely box right here. Okay, let's jump into this and see what's in here. But first of all, it says technician of the sacred, spark the imagination, connect through awakened creativity, inspire through unique beautiful creations. And then what is it called? It is a technician of a sacred crystal spear stand. Assemble your wooden crystal spear stand and place your amethyst spear in the middle of the Dance Venus pattern. and visual representation of the path created orbit around the earth. Oh, and this is a $22 value. And we did get a little amethyst sphere, but hold on, we'll talk about that in a moment. Like, does it like go around the sphere? You probably don't have to try this on camera. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. I'm trying to figure out how this works. Okay, so I have this here. These are all taped together, but I guess you're supposed to untape them. And then it comes with all these little pegs, like wooden pegs. Okay. I guess let's see how we do this. Oh, okay. So this video may be a little bit longer, but I think just for the fun of it, let's go ahead and let's put it together so I can show you guys what it actually is supposed to look like, because it does come with a two-piece thing. Okay, so this video will be a little bit longer, but hey, it'll be fun. Let's do it. So Dance of the Venus. Look at the stars. What appears to be scattered across the sky randomly is actually ordered in precise geometric patterns. Your new sphere stand is one of those geometric patterns created by the cosmos over the span of 8 years by connecting Venus, planet of love and harmony, and Earth's orbit around the sun. This beautiful flower is created. So step 1, closely line up the gaps on the outside of the wooden layers and squeeze the layers firmly together. Okay, so but they already come together, so but they have these little tapes on them. So let's remove the tape first. Supposed to line up all the lines, I guess all these lines, because it looks like a flower. There's 3 pieces, if you guys can tell. There's 1, 2, 3, and all the little pieces here are lined up together, and it makes a little flower that looks like that. Now step 2 is to slide the leg in from the side long this is the most complicated goddess provision project ever. Okay, so slide the leg in from the long side part down. Make sure the holes connect to the right angle. Great descriptions, huh? Okay, so I'm thinking that okay. So you see this here, this little leg, make sure that it's towards the back. It's supposed to go snap in there like this. Okay. Wait. How do you know if they're... Oh, okay. Wait. Make sure they're even. Okay, so that's what the first leg looks like. So it's supposed to look like this. So you guys, okay, so we're gonna continue it from here so you guys can actually see what it looks like, some type of demonstration, right? So pretty much once the legs are on there, push the legs in fully plush with side, repeat till the stem is fully attached. So then to minimize the environmental impact, we teamed up with Okay, so supposedly you're supposed to take a stone and put it in the middle of this. Now we did receive a little amethyst stone here, and this is the amethyst sphere. This crystal orb radiates calm, protective, and cleansing energy in all directions at the same time. Gaze into the center and connect with openness and awe and boost your intuition. All right, this is $11 value, and this is the last item that we got in the Goddess Provisions box. All right, and this is, oh, I don't have any spears. Look how cute, pretty that is. The lighting doesn't do it really justice, but you can see all little different types of purples in there. So with this, you're supposed to sit them here in the middle of this like spear thing, and look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's pretty. Just a little something that's different, you know. I actually really do like that. Isn't that nice? And it's another way for me to store it too, because it's a spear, so it'll be going everywhere if I can get my stuff It'll be going everywhere, so this is nice. I like this a lot. Yay. Okay. Everything I talked about in this video will be down below in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. And if you guys have any questions for me about the Goddess Provisions box or anything in the box or anything, just comment down below and let me know, and we'll talk about it. All right, with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Eunice Marie. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.